Welcome back to another digital assets network tutorial. Today we're going to be talking about how to download a Metamask wallet and then add the Binance Smart Chain and the Polygon network that many of the layer 2s are being used at the moment to do NFTs, to do DeFi and all sorts of things. And it can be a bit of a tricky process. So let's run through it from start to beginning. So first of all, you're going to download the Metamask wallet from metamask.io and install the Metamask on your Chrome extension. So we'll add this to Chrome, add extension. Once this is added, you want to install it. Just takes a second. So that's installed. You obviously want to bookmark that so it's there. Once that's open, you want to open that up, get started. And if you haven't got a Metamask already, you want to create a new wallet. If you have one, you want to import wallet. I'm just going to go through the process of creating a new wallet. So let's get started. I agree. We'll put in a password. It's not long enough. Create. Alright, so once this is created, you probably want to watch this video on just securing your wallet. So you never want to give out your seed phrase. So whatever you do, never give out your seed phrase. Even if you find there's a document that looks legitimate, seed phrase is yours, and the only time you would ever use your seed phrase is to back up a wallet or install MetaMask on a new PC or mobile device. So let's go to next. We can do the secret recovery phrase. So you want to actually write these down on a piece of paper, or you definitely want to keep them on your phone. You'll probably want to take a few copies of this, give one to your partner, put one in a different part of the house, just so you've got a few locations and it's off the grid. All right, so now we've got the Metamask wallet. What do we do now? How do we add the other networks? So Ethereum network is the Ethereum mainnet, which can be very costly with gas and all the fees that are associated with it. So we want to add another network here so we can use the MetaMask wallet but on a different network. So how do we do that? We click on Add New Network, and it asks for the network name, the new RPC URL, the chain ID, the currency symbol, and the block explorer URL. So firstly, I'm going to add the Binance. So I'll put these links in the description, but you can Google them and find them in different sources. But this is the Binance Smart Chain network name. So we just want to copy this, go back to your MetaMask, put it in there, copy the new RPC URL, copy that and put that in there. You then want to copy the chain ID. You just want to go through these steps. And then the currency symbol, which is BNB. And then the block explorer URL. Alright, so once you've done that, you click Save. And now you have Ethereum mainnet and the Binance Smart Chain. So from your Binance account or anywhere that has BNB, you will be able to send that to this Ethereum address, which is your Ethereum address, which is under your account here. So they use the same address but different chains. And depending on the network and where you are on a exchange, it will determine on what network you choose to send it. If you have any more questions about that, please join our Discord and we'll be able to talk you through it. or I can do another video on how to send from exchange and to the Binance Smart Chain or the Matic network. So let's go through the Matic network just to add that as well. As I said before, you can just Google this and it comes up with Matic network, which is Polygon. So we want to copy that, put the Polygon name in there. Same process as before. Chain ID. Currency symbol. And Block Explorer your URL. Alright, so now you're set up with 3 different chains. So this means that you can send the same currency on different chains using different networks. However, they have to be bridged across. So as you can see, there is some websites and some Web3 applications like Zrun, for instance, which uses Polygon. So let's just go for an example. Zrun. This is a digital horse game. When you connect to this account through a browser extension, it's going to ask for the Polygon network, right? And it's supported by the Ethereum network, but Polygon network to actually make transactions. Another great example is when you're on OpenSea or NFT platforms that don't want to use lots of gas, they will require you to use Polygon or the Binance Smart Chain. But there is plenty of examples that I could show you, and you'll understand this once you start exploring the different chains and what they use. So this is just a great example on how to set this up. Once they're in the system, it's just a quick, once they're in your wallet, it's just a quick switch between the few to get them active. And yeah, that's about it, guys. So let me know if you have any questions, put them in the comments, or join our Discord, and we'll be happy to help.